This is how you set the limits on a Firmamatic roller door opener. This also works with most B&D roller door openers. Now this one's got some LED lights out here, pretty common with these ones. Now start by removing this cover right here that blocks off the programming buttons. Pop that aside. Now we need to set the bottom limit first and then the top limit. So it's best to start with the door halfway, and the manual also recommends that too. Now find the button that says limit set and hold that in until you get some beeps and just the red close limit light flashes. This one here next to the code set button. Now these buttons here go up and down. Plus is up and minus is down, or green up, red down. Now if your door travels in the wrong direction like this, when we press up it goes down, and we press down the door goes up. The motor is set on the wrong side of the door. Press the operate button once and that will correct the side adjustment and tell the door it's on the right side. Okay, now we're going to set the bottom limit. So start by holding the red button down or the minus close door button until the door reaches the bottom limit. You want it to just touch on the rubber weather seal. If it goes too far, you can press the plus or the green button to drive it up again, and then press the close button until you get it to the desired close limit. Now you do want to have a little bit of play up here, which means the door is not over closing. Okay, now press the limit set button. That will lock in your lower limit indicated by the green flashing light there. And you also don't want to over close the door or your manual release won't work because the gears will be pushing too tightly against each other. So now set the top limit, hold down the green or plus open button and drive the door up to your desired open limit. So keep your finger on the button and just let the button go when you reach near the top, and then just inch it up bit by bit. This is quite a tall door, so we're just going to leave a small gap. This will lessen the chances of any jamming and skewing of the door as it closes. But if you need the full height, you can go right to the stopper up there. All right, now we've got our desired open limit. We're going to press the limit set button again, and the green light will stop flashing, and the door will run through a force margin cycle. So what this will do, it basically weighs the door and sets the force margin. So if it does come down on an object, it will know how much pressure it needs to stop the door. So the door goes down about a foot, back up again, and then completely closes, completely opens, and then completely closes again. All right, so we're going to go up once more. I'll speed that up for you. And then the door goes back down the last time. And it should beep and be done. So this red light indicates the door is closing, and the green light indicates the door is opening, and both lights indicate the door is in a stopped position. So now the door's reached the bottom and we've got the door closed. Pop your cover back on. That's it. That's how you set the limits on your Firmamatic roller door opener, which also works with most B&D motors, which are pretty much exactly the same. Beauty. And check out my other videos on how to service a noisy roller door like this one. I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching.